Start in a four-point position with your knees under your hips and your hands under your shoulders. Engage your core and stabilize your spine so it stays stable during this exercise. The only thing that's going to move are your hands and your legs. Inhale, exhale, and reach your left arm forward. Inhale back. On your next exhale, reach your right arm forward. Exhale and lower. On your next exhale, squeeze your glute and reach your right leg back. Inhale, back to center. This time, exhale, squeeze your glute and reach your left leg back, keeping steady through your spine and your core. Inhale to center.